Hey friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something cozy, nice and intentional. We're going to be making candles, no rushing, just wax melting, pouring, good smells, good vibes. So grab you something to drink, get cozy, or you can work along with me and make whatever you're making. Drop down in the comments what you like to make and let's get to making. So again, I just want to welcome you all to my cozy corner of the internet. I'm Chi-Chi, that's C-H-E-C-H-E, the founder behind Wow, Just Wow, Candle Co. Hey y'all. So just to give you a little background behind why I named my business Wow, Just Wow, Candle Co. It actually has a meaning. It means wellness over worries through joyful, uplifting self-care time with wax oils and wicks. Those are your three main components of a candle. Every candle in my studio starts right here, right in the wax melter. This is usually the moment where I remind myself, okay, we're not rushing today. The wax is going to melt when it's ready, and honestly, that's the mindset that has followed me a lot in business. Now, as I gather all my wick stickers, wick clips, and wooden-wicks, we can now start wicking the tins, one of my least favorite parts. There's something about wooden wicks though, that soft crackle when the candle burns, it feels like a miniature fireplace on your dresser. Each wick is placed by hand, every single one. And this step matters more than people realize. I always think about the person lighting my candle for the first time. Maybe they're winding down after work, maybe they're journaling, maybe they're reading a book, or maybe they just want a quiet time with their mind for a moment. That thought guides every small decision I make. And this is something else I come to realize as being a founder of a business. It is layered. It's exciting, it's exhausting, it's empowering, it's overwhelming, sometimes all in the same daggone day. There's moments when I question everything, and then there's moments like this, hands moving, candles coming together, where it all feels very clear. I didn't just start this business because I had everything figured out. I started it because I believe in creating calm for myself and others. Some days making candles is my calm. So this is where the magic happens, adding a fragrance. Each scent is intentional, nothing overpowering, nothing headache-inducing. My goal is balance, something that fills the room softly but not aggressively. As I stir the fragrance into the wax, I always pause for a second. I smell it, I let it settle, because scent is emotional. It connects to memory, comfort, safety. I want the candles to feel like an exhale. My top three sellers are cypress and lavender, sea salt and eucalyptus, and then marine and sandalwood. When it's time to pour, it's so therapeutic. It's so focused. This is where everything comes together. And I try to stay present here. No multitasking, no rushing ahead in my mind. Just pour, Steady hands, steady energy. I think that attention carries through. I really do. So if you're still here watching, thank you for spending this time with me. I just want you to know the person behind the candles you bring to your home. I want Wow Just Wow to feel like a brand you trust, but also one you know. This channel is going to be more of this, behind the scenes, slow moments, honest conversations, and the real journey of building a wellness brand. So if this video brought you a moment of calm, that means everything to me. This is Wow Just Wow Candle Code, where we choose wellness over worries, one candle at a time. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.